Hello folks, it's finally a day of no wind, rain or snow, so as promised, here is the first Nitro Helicopter flight of the year for me. I'm sure as soon as you will see it you will know which one I picked, but I will let you know at the end of the flight just in case. Also note this is a helicopter that is not a radical aerobatic machine, but for the time back 40 years ago, it did pretty good. It was pretty reliable too. You can note in the video when I do the roll, I'm putting full left cyclic in it from the stick, which shows how long a roll rate they had. Pretty slow, nothing radical could really be done. There's no heading lock or any fancy gyro on it, it's just a simple rate gyro. You know, and pirouettes are just as slow. But for all out fun, exciting, but easy flying, I still love it. By the way, this helicopter was donated to me after the fire by Joe Cerna. So Semper Fi, Joe, and enjoy the flight. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, I left the glow driver on. You know, my friends and I used to do that a lot back in those days. For sure, a complete flight will definitely keep the glow plug warm. And then the engine quits, and this is the fun things that you have to do with nitro. But that's okay with me, as nitro was and still is my first love over electrics. You know, in my next video, however, I'm going to fly 2 more of my electric helis because I love them too, so you can guess probably which 2 I picked to fly this time.